I was on LinkedIn this week and there was a post about why flat sketches are still the most important sketch. Word. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikkel Drew Pelham. I talk about digital fashion design software and communication on this channel. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Even in the age of 3D and AI, the flat sketch still remains top contender for what sketch is most important. If you think about the product development process, the designer creates a design, then a tech pack is created, it's sent to the manufacturer reviews and translates the information in the tech pack into their first language or just makes notes to better understand what is requested. The pattern maker creates the pattern, the seamstress cuts and sews the sample sent to the brand, and then the brand fits the sample and sends fit comments back to the vendor. And as Mary Cassidy, who was the author of the post, points out, the one thing that doesn't need translating or anyone to assume what it means is the flat sketch. I've told my students on many occasions that you can and should be as detailed as possible in that tech pack, but the sketch is what your vendor looks at first. And sometimes that's all they're really looking at. Earlier in my career, when I wasn't quite as thorough with my sketches, I've gotten jacked up samples that looked exactly like my equally as jacked up sketches. And even though I wrote something different on the tech pack, the vendor was trying to make the sample look like my sketch. And yes, you can make a case that it's their fault because they didn't read the tech pack carefully enough. And they may even agree to make a new sample for you for free. But do you really want to waste your time and theirs on making bad samples just because your flat sketch wasn't accurate? And real talk, many times you don't have time to wait for another sample. You're usually under a deadline, so yeah, they can remake the sample for you, but if you miss that buyer's meeting, what difference does it make? Ms. Cassidy goes on to say that a 3D or AI generated sketch becomes more problematic the further into the product development process it goes. If you're a pattern maker or even a sewer, more than likely you're not viewing that sketch on an iPad or laptop. It's a hard copy of the tech pack, and nothing more clearly shows detail and construction as clearly as a flat sketch. So there's two lessons here. The first is that 3D and AI are tools that enhance what you're already doing. So don't think of them as replacements. They can help the process, give you an added perspective in terms of other types of sketches and renderings that help a vendor further understand fit expression and proportion, but you still need that flat sketch. The second is directly related to that last statement. You still need the flat sketch. So rather than trying to find ways of getting around doing it, embrace flat sketches as an opportunity to really think about what you want in your design. What are the details? What's the construction? What types of stitches do you want or need? Because all of that information is necessary for your manufacturer to understand how to execute an accurate sample for you. And all of that information is visually communicated by you, the designer, through a flat sketch. Thanks for watching today's video. If you need help perfecting your flat sketches or even learning from scratch how to draw a flat sketch, make sure you check out my Illustrator for Fashion Sketching course and/or my Illustrator manual. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you find it helpful. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time.